Good morning, one and all. Myself Arushi from 3rd Sem ISC department. Today I would like to explain about how to determine the coefficients of given term in the given expansion. First question, find the coefficient of a cube b square c d square in the expansion of 2a minus b plus 3c minus 2d whole power 8. The general form is given by n, n1, n2, n3, n4 into 2a whole power n1 into minus b whole power n2 into 3c whole power n3 into minus 2d whole power n4. Since we have to find the coefficient of a cube b square c d square, we have to consider n1 is equal to 3, n2 is equal to 2, n3 is equal to 1, n4 is equal to 2 and n is equal to 8. On substituting all the n values in the general form equation, we will get 8, 3, 2, 1, 2 into 2a whole cube into minus b whole square into 3c whole power 1 into minus 2d whole square. On simplifying further, we will get 8, 3, 2, 1, 2 into 2 cube into 3 into 4 into a cube b square c d square. Therefore, the coefficient of a cube b square c d square in the given expansion 2a minus b plus 3c minus 2d whole power 8 is 96 into 8 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 1 factorial into 2 factorial, which is equal to 161280. Next question. Find the coefficient of x power 11 y power 4 in the expansion of 2x cube minus 3xy square plus z square whole power 6. The general term is given by n, n1, n2, n3 into 2x cube whole power n1 into minus 3xy square into n2 z square into z square whole power n3. On further simplification, we will get n, n1, n2, n3 into 2 power n1 into minus 3n whole power n2 into x whole power 3n1 plus n2 into y power 2n2 into z power 2n3. Let us consider this as equation 1. On comparing the powers of x, we will get 3n1 plus n2 is equal to 11. And on comparing the powers of y, we will get 2n2 is equal to 4. Therefore, n2 is equal to 2. On substituting the n2 value in the above equation, we will get 3n1 plus 2 is equal to 11, which gives n1 is equal to 3. On considering this equation, we can write as n1 plus n2 plus n3 is equal to 6. Therefore, we will get n3 is equal to 1 and n is equal to 6. On substituting these n values in the above equation 1, we will get 6, 3, 2, 1 into 2 cube into minus 3 square into x power 11 into y power 4 into z square. Therefore, the coefficient of x power 11 y power 4 is 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 1 factorial into 9 into 8 into z square. Thus, the required coefficient is 4320 into z square. Next question. Find the coefficient of a square b cube c square d power 5 in the expansion of a plus 2b minus 3c plus 2d plus 5 whole power 16. The general term is given by n, n1, n2, n3, n4, n5 into a power n1 into 2b whole power n2 into minus 3c whole power n3 into 2d whole power n4 into 5 whole power n5. Since we have to find the coefficient of the term a square b cube c square d power 5, we have to consider n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 3, n3 is equal to 2, n4 is equal to 5 and n is equal to 16. And n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4 plus n5 is equal to 16, which gives n5 is equal to 4. On substituting these n values in the general term, you will get 16, 2, 3, 2, 5, 4 into 2 cube into minus 3 whole square into 2 power 5 into 5 power 4 into a square b cube c square d power 5. Therefore, the coefficient of a square b cube c square d power 5 is given by 16, 2, 3, 2, 5, 4 into 2 power 8 into 9 into 5 power 4, which can be further written as 16 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 5 factorial into 4 factorial into 256 into 9 into 625, which is equal to 16 factorial by 2 into 6 into 2 into 120 into 24 into 256 into 9 into 625, which is equal to 125 by 6 into 16 factorial. Thus, the required coefficient of a square b cube c square d power 5 is 125 by 6 into 16 factorial.